Targus grows its EcoSmart line. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. With us from Targus are Andrew Corkill, Vice President of Global Marketing, David Dorantes, Director of Product Marketing, and Mike Sexton, Senior Director of Global Product Management. Thank all of you for spending time with us. Appreciate it.
Sure, you bet. Thanks, Fred. Good to see you.
Well, Targus has captured some awards, made some big announcements related to the Consumer Electronics Show. Let's start out with a little bit of an overview, first of all, about this EcoSmart line and what you're doing with it.
Sure, Fred, I'll talk about that. So our EcoSmart line, this is really a line of products where we're focusing on sustainability, we're focusing on using recycled materials, and it's something that we've been actually working on and launching products since 2008. So it's not necessarily brand new because we've been focused on eco and sustainability for quite a few years, but now we have brand new products that we're launching right now that are new to the world. And some of those products are tech accessories and some of those products are bags and cases. And when we launch our tech accessories, we're using new post-consumer recycled materials in those products. We're using low power Bluetooth energy in those products to conserve energy. On our bags and cases, we're using recycled water bottles, and we have a new line of cases too, which is called the Coastline EcoSmart collection. And that line is using plastic that we've recovered from the ocean. It's called ocean-bound plastic. So it's plastic that is being kept away from the waterways, kept out of the ocean, and being recycled and woven into material that then is made into bags and cases. So EcoSmart and sustainability is a big focus at Targus, and a lot of our products now have that EcoSmart built in.
Just terrific. So let's go through. I'll let you go through what some of the announcements are, you and your colleagues there. Tell us what's new.
Yeah, so I'd like to introduce Mike Sexton because he can talk about our ErgoFlip EcoSmart mouse.
Yeah, so good to see you again, Fred. As Andrew said, we have a new product called the ErgoFlip EcoSmart Mouse. It won a CES Innovation Award this year, and it builds on that 15-year tradition that we have of bringing EcoSmart products to market. This is an exciting product not only because of its eco properties, but when we designed it, we almost couldn't believe that no one else had done it before. But it's an ergonomic mouse that will easily convert from right-handed to left-handed. So any user in the world, whether you're right-handed or left-handed, can use a great ergonomic mouse that's eco-friendly. And that's part of our collection of products there that are all very specifically focused on being eco-smart. Here's some more details on it. In fact, we'll include a quick video here that shows you how it operates. But it's eco-friendly, ergonomic, ambidextrous, right? Flips from right-handed to left-handed easily. It's 85% post-consumer recycled materials. It uses an ultra-efficient Bluetooth low-energy chipset, which is about 4 times more efficient than competitive products. So that gets you battery life. We think under normal use conditions will last you up to 2 years on a single AA battery. Great performance, gaming level performance with that 4,000 DPI, blue trace technology to use on about any surface. So just an awesome mouse with the added benefits of being eco-smart. So really excited about this one and just a core part of that collection.
And you have the antimicrobial treatment on there too, I see.
Absolutely. Yep. Over the past couple of years, we've included that on most of our input devices to keep those surfaces clean and free of germs.
And so, Fred, another area here that we should speak to is our Coastline collection of bags. And David Dorantes can speak to that. David?
Yeah, so thank you. So we've launched a new line of Coastline backpacks and briefcases here. And what we've done is we've partnered with Ocean Cycle to get certified to make sure that we are taking plastics that are headed towards the oceans and waterways and removing them so that way we can utilize them to be able to make our bags. So why is that important? Because there's over 5 trillion pieces of plastic in our oceans right now, and 11 million tons are entering every year. So most of the plastic that goes into the ocean, because of the salt water, because of the UV, that it makes it very hard to recycle. So our approach is to anything that's headed towards the ocean, so things that are within 30 miles of a waterway, a major waterway, we then make sure that those products are removed from there so that way we can recycle it and then make it into our bags. So we've come up with a backpack here, and it's a great quality backpack, has all the same features that Targus is known for: limited lifetime warranty, organization, protection with a sling system. So that way, if you put your laptop in there, it's suspended in the air so that it doesn't actually bottom out and hit the bottom of the table and cause damage to your laptop. We also have a briefcase here that same scenario, has a lot of organizational pockets, very functional, lifetime warranty, trolley straps, so great for travel. And then it also uses the sling protection system to protect your laptop. Again, and what we use 24% of the ocean-bound plastic on the outside, and then for the rest, we use just recycled water bottles or recycled PET that comes from landfills.
Yeah, so this focus on eco and sustainability is one of our main focuses at Targus, Fred. And we've actually, in the past year, as we've been doing our reporting for our CO2 footprint, we've saved over 200 metric tons of CO2 by doing all these new processes and paying attention to our environment. So it's really key for Targus that we keep helping the environment and trying to, create new products that are going to be healthy for the whole world.
And what should consumers know about the durability of it? And obviously, you're paying attention to price too. It doesn't seem to have made this much more expensive, at least for the consumer.
Yeah, we don't compromise on the durability and the quality of the products. That's why we are very proud to be able to put a limited lifetime warranty on it. So the quality, durability, and testing that we put into this products remain the same, unchanged. All we're doing is we're adding the recycled elements to the product material, but we make sure that the protection and the quality of the product are not compromised at all.
And I'll just add to that by saying that that's one of the reasons why you see, say, 85% post-consumer recycled material in our mice and keyboards. The goal is to get to 100%, but we're being careful and conservative to make sure that that reliability and quality of those products is still there. And so at this point, we're up to 85, and someday we'll get to 100.
I see you also have a new unique dock out for people, the Dock 750.
Yeah, so I'll talk a little bit about that. So our dual host KVM dock, what this does is it brings in that technology of KVM and brings it to a docking station. So it combines the two, and that allows you to work with two host devices, two laptops. It could be also an iPad and a combination of a PC, or it could be even a Mac and a PC. And you can have any combination to have two devices connected to one docking station. And what that's going to do is not only do you have access to one workstation with two laptops, but not only that, but then it also charges both of those laptops up to 100 watts each one. So essentially 200 watts of power are coming out of that docking station. And you'll be able to do 3 monitors and mix and match between the two. And we've even have software built into the docking station that allows you to have your cursor move from, let's say you're working on your PC, and then you move your cursor over and it'll go right over to a Mac environment, automatically switching your keyboard and your mouse to the Mac, which is amazing to see when you take a look at it. And you get all these combinations of modes. So if you have let's say PC number 1 is a laptop, a Windows-based PC, and PC number 2 is a MacBook. So by pressing the button here, all you're simply doing is you're choosing the different modes that you can use those 3 monitors with. So the first one here shows you that you extend all three of the monitors to the Windows PC. Then you click on the button, and then you have a combination of, it switches over to the MacBook. press the button again, you'll have one of your screens is going to be the PC and two of them are going to be the MacBook. And then press it one more time and it does the inverse. So one MacBook and two PCs. And all of them are still sharing the same keyboard and mouse and the Ethernet connection.
I'm curious how that works with, I can see that the video, you can have one screen for one device and another screen for the other device, but what about the keyboard and the mouse?
Yeah, that all comes along with it, you know, so that's part of the KVM. The magic of the KVM is the keyboard, the video, the mouse gets switched over when you press
selecting
that
which one. Selecting which one you're actually working on is just the push of a button.
It's that simple. Yeah, absolutely.
Terrific. And when do these devices that we've been talking about, when do they arrive on the market?
So for the KVM dock, the Dock 750 is available right now. The ocean-bound, the Coastline ocean-bound backpack and briefcase will be available in March. And then the ErgoFlip mouse is also available now.
Just terrific. So for more information, the place to go is?
At Targus.com.
TARGUS.com. David, Andrew, and Mike, thank you so much for spending time with us and have a great CES.
Thanks.
Great.
Thank you, Fred.
Thanks, Fred. Appreciate it.